Imagine yourself in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.